Welcome back. Let's go to our header.php now, and we see that in the body tag we have something static. The CSS file is static, which means because this is in header, in every page this static class will appear. That's fine, but there's another small issue to this, that we wanted to make this dynamic so that WordPress can add output its own classes also, which helps us basically later on use those classes and do some logic or apply some different styling based on the page we are. So let's make this dynamic. So we'll say PHP, and we'll use a function called body class. Again, we can look for the documentation. So we'll say body underscore class, and inside this we will of course pass our function, otherwise our layout will break. But we will also do now what WordPress will do is it will also add its own classes based on the page that it wants to render. So if we now go to the documentation, here is the body class. So if you want to get any documentation, you just have to type like body class in WordPress. Hit enter and Google will give you that documentation. So you can go and read it out here. So it says this is the how it should be used, and we are using it that way. And the output, if you see, it will render like this: page, page ID, parent page, page template, logged in. So now you can style, you can override the styling based on this class if you want. That's the reason we use this as a body class. So let me add this to our important links text file. Perfect. So now if we go and check our browser, refresh the browser, we should see some dynamic things added to our body tag. So if we go here, so there's our body, and if you see here, it says home class added, blog, logged in. These things are added now along with our home page and is preload classes. So this is why it is important to add that. Perfect. So in the next video, we will go ahead and make our this static template theme more dynamic.